use MAXEasy. It's a protective coating that's self-cleans. So what that means is once this is on a surface, dirt has a hard time sticking to it. If water will stick to something, anything will stick to it. This has been 2 months since this car has been cleaned. MAXEasy's been holding strong. It's a little dirty, but you can't tell. You can see that dirt. The dirt's superficially on there. So we're gonna wash it. Bugs have a hard time sticking to it. They may get on it, but when you go to wash, they pop right off because they can't grab a hold of it. It's in between the surface and the environment. The bugs pop off, they don't stay. So you can dry wipe them off. Naturally, you would want to spray this. You would want to spray this and clean these off.